Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into the best Fidelity crypto retirement account option. So if you're thinking about adding crypto to your retirement savings, the best option is the Fidelity Crypto IRA. It gives you direct access to major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, all within a tax-advantaged retirement account. You can choose from Roth IRA for tax-free growth, a traditional IRA for tax-deferred growth, or a rollover IRA if you are moving funds from an old employer plan. It makes it flexible no matter how you are saving for retirement. What makes it stand out is the cost and simplicity. There are no maintenance or custody fees, and the Fidelity only charge a small 1% spread on trade. Setting it up is easy too. You just link a Fidelity brokerage IRA, or Fidelity can open one for you automatically, and your brokerage account serves as the funding source. So it's one of the safest and the most straightforward way to add crypto to your retirement portfolio. If you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe for more quick finance breakdown, and let me know which IRA option you do like to go for. And that's it.